Dave from Bruton, Alabama has a question about a shower tower.
Yeah, he's thinking about one for his new home.
Okay.
You're not? Okay. Well, Dave writes, I've read that customers have pressure issues when they put these things in their house, and wants to know what your thoughts are about them, Tom. And also, are there any problems with gas tankless water heaters and flow rates for shower towers like this? I'm worried, he says, that the flow may not be enough and the water heater will click off.
If you don't have enough flow, but this is easy to solve, so this one I'm going to hit first, then it will. You have a limit switch on, especially on the gas water heaters, they're going to click off. But that's why you set it to where you don't use cold water at all, or if you do, very little. And what you do is you set it so you turn hot all the way on, and then maybe just back it off a little bit. But then you have all the water coming through the water heater and not coming down the cold side where you're shutting it down to less water usage. So that's easy to fix, and a good plumber will set you up on that, no problem. Now, these towers, the first thing that I look at with some of the pictures I see and stuff are the rain heads. Then you get the car wash in front of you. You get enough of it, yeah, you're going to lose pressure depending how much pressure you have at your home. Do you have 40 psi, 60 psi? You're not going to increase it. And then you have to run your piping the proper size to make sure it's handling it, or maybe put it on dual valves with two different systems, two different manifolds. A plumber can solve that. But here's what I would ask you to do. It looks great. It looks fancy. You have a glass shelf for your shampoo. You have all the holes there to shoot water at you. You have that rain head, but use it. Most people, when they get the rain head, hate it. You can't wash your hair. There's not enough pressure. Mm-hmm. We went to a hotel once. My wife spent one shower and said, we're changing rooms. She couldn't rinse the soap out of her hair. Now, for me, not so much a problem, okay? Right. Yeah. So what I'd like you to do is go to a hotel, go somewhere, and take a shower in it. I have a feeling you won't be as impressed as the way it looks to the way it performs. So be careful, because once you put it in, it's in.
I bought I'm a big believer in this thing called Kickstarter. You'll see all kinds of new ideas and things you buy, and and all that.
Very
I'm
familiar.
a big Kickstarter guy. I bought this shower head, this Nebbia shower head, that and what it does is, instead of the water coming right on you, it creates this water cloud around you. And I thought, man, Sandy's going to love that thing. I'm going to buy it. Well, it came in, and it lived in the box for about 3 years before we gave it away. She said, hell no. So I think not only does he have to try it out, he has to make sure the MRS likes it. Most importantly, I think you're spot on there, Tom.
Everybody. I mean, this is a shower. They did a whole, we're older, Charlie. They did a whole Seinfeld episode about when they went to the water-saving shower heads and nobody could wash their hair. And you have to go back. But these are everyday real things. And that was the classic part about Seinfeld. They would take something as stupid as that and do a whole show about it, and it worked. But at least I thought it did.
Yeah, you get one of those showers.
These things are important in your everyday life. It's your shower.
And we'll just leave it at that, kids. Yeah. All right, you got a question? We'd be happy to help you just like that. Go visit HomeShowRadio.com. That's our website. There's a button right on the front homepage. Ask Tom. Click that. Fill it out. Send it in, and we'll do a video just like this. Send it your way by posting it on our website every day. We put them on our Facebook page every day, and we post them to our YouTube channel every day. There are a lot of videos there already, too, so maybe you have some other questions. Go look around. Maybe there's some answers to other questions you have.